వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏబిపిఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్కి సంబంధించి మనము మరికొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ని ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. సో మీరు గత కొద్ది కాలంగా చూస్తున్నది సోషల్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి సంబంధించిన మెయిన్స్ బిట్స్ అన్నమాట. సో ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈరోజు విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ సిటీస్ వాజ్ ఫౌండెడ్ బై ద ఈస్టర్న్ చాళుక్యాస్? ఆన్సర్ రాజమండ్రి. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్లాన్స్ ద ఫస్ట్ rulers of Jains are believed? Answer Kakatiya clan. Next, whose empire was ruled by the vassals known as the Nayakas? The reign of Kakatiyas. Next, which dynasty was founded by Nizam ul Mulk? Answer Asafzahi clan. Next, what was the Nellore region called in ancient times? Answer Pakanadu. Next, who among the following laid the foundation of Swayambhu temple in Varangallu fort? Answer Prola Raja II. Next question, who wrote the popular Telugu text Sumati Satakani? Answer Baddena. Next question, who built Hussain Sagar? Answer Ibrahim Qutub Shah. Next question, in whose thoughts was the Andhra Mahasabha during the period of independence in Andhra emerged? Answer Konda Venkatapaya. Next question, according to which of the following was the Veena the founder of Kakatiya family? Answer Vayaram epigraph. Next, during whose region in Andhra Desha were the gold coins known as the Mada? Answer the Kakatiyas. Next, who of the following well-known Telugu poets adorned the court of Pedakomati Vemareddy? Answer Kavi Sarvabhauma Srinatha. Next, who of the following kings bore the title Mahamandaleswara? Answer the Kakatiya kings. Next, who of the following Satavahana kings enlarged the Amaravati Stupa and constructed a stone railing around the Mahachaitya? Answer Yajnasri Satakarni. Next, the Christian Association of Ballari published the first Telugu journal. What is its name? Answer Satyaduta. Next question, Perini is a dance form of Sivatandavam which flourished during the times of the Kakatiyas. Who of the following dance masters helped revive it in recent times? Answer Nataraja Ramakrishna. Next, during whose times was Raja Mahendri, the present crown of Rajamandri, built? Answer the Eastern Chalukyas. Next question, who of the following is popularly known as Andhra Bhishma? Answer Nyapati Raghavarao. Next, which of the following is the work of Gona Buddha Reddy? Answer Ranganatha Ramayanam. Next, during whose times did local self-government institutions flourish in South India? Answer the Cholas. Next question, who built Ekambarnath temple in Kanchipuram? Answer is Pallava Nandivarman. Next question, first newspaper from Madras is a Madras Courier. Next question, who is the author of Jaimini Bharatam? Next, the answer Pillala Marri Pina Veera Bhadra Kavi. Next, spot something different. Answer Rajasekara Charitra. Next question, which descendant of Karikala? Answer Chola. Next, among whose the following Devagiri was established as an independent Yadava kingdom? Answer Bhillama. Next, which of the following is the title of Rajendra Chola? Answer Kadaran Gonda. Next, the Tamil poet and author of Ramayan in Tamil Kamban was in the court of kings? Answer Chola kings. Next, what is Bhaskara's Virachita Leelavati Granth about? Answer mathematics. Next, Sri Bag Pact was agreement between the leaders of Andhra and Rayalaseema regions. Next question, who is the author of Simhasana? Sorry, who is the author of the Bhavarta Deepika? Is Ramanujacharya. Next, Bhavarta Deepika Ramanujacharya. Next, who is the author? The author is Simhasana Dvatrimsika is Koravi Goparaju. Next, the year in which the famous Kakatiya temple at Palampet Ramappa temple was constructed is in 1213 AD. Next question, Chintala Venkatramana temple is in this place. Answer Adipatri. Next, the foreign traveler who visited the port of Motupalli during the Kakatiya period is Marco Polo. Next, the famous Ramappa temple at Palampeta was built by Recherla Rudra. Next, the Telugu personality who prepared a design for the national flag, which was later adopted as the national flag with some changes, is Pingali Venkayya. Next, the Telugu personality who is known by the title Desabhakta. Answer Konda Venkatappaya. Next question, the year in which the Battle of Padmanabha was fought in Andhra. Answer 1794. Next, the name of the place with which the famous no tax campaign in Andhra is associated during the freedom movement in Andhra. Answer is Pedanandipadu. సో ఇవి ఈ రోజుకి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ అండి. అండ్ మరికొన్ని బిట్స్ని మరొక వీడియోలో అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ డే. జై హింద్.